Let me stop you before we go any further. If you think day trading is fast and easy, you are 100% setting yourself up to fail. Not because it's impossible, but because it's that exact mindset that leads to the exact mistakes that wipe out accounts and force traders to just quit. Real trading is what we're talking about, is slower. It's more controlled. It's kind of a workman-like approach. It's building your account and your skills gradually over time and then scaling up later. I like to say that big thing with trading is you build that foundation, that skill set, you learn how to trade the right way, then the money comes. What people always want to do is they want to reverse that. They want the money now, and they're like, I'll learn the right way later. And let me know. Drop a comment. Do you think that's going to work? I think all of you, if you're being honest, are like, no, it's never going to work. Now, it's more controlled and honest with yourself and ultimately way more boring than you might expect. But that boring is where consistency is built. And that's kind of part of being a professional, a silent professional, as they say. Like, it's not bee-boo babu, it's lights and candles and all this like a video game. That's what you see in the movies, okay? That isn't real trading. So a lot of people know and hear these statistics, and I've been trading for over 20 years. I've been mentoring traders for over 10 now. And the simple reality is most fail at this. Some say 90%. I even think higher. Now, don't be discouraged by that. It's all a function of what I just talked about. People want the money now. They want to just be able to click a few buttons and go to the club that night or buy a Lambo. It's just not the reality. Now, that's what you see on social media, especially like Instagram. Go over there. That's all it is. But real trading, real success comes from a workman-like approach. And that's why most fail. Now, the reality is most beginners blow up in the first 90 days. This has actually been tracked. They either blow up their account or they simply quit out of frustration. And think about that. 90 days. Now, it's not that long. Think about this 3 months. Is there any skill or anything that you're like, I'm going to master this in 90 days? But why do most significant number quit in 90 days? They set themselves up to fail. And brokerage track this to where people go inactive. They just quit trading. Even if they still have money in their account, they just don't log in anymore. And time commitment is the most important thing. Understanding that's going to take months. It's going to take some time. It's a skill. Is there any skill that you can master in a few hours or a few days? Maybe really basic things, but anything advanced is going to take time. And it's not a side hustle that you do during meetings. Again, this is all the social media stuff. It's being disciplined, studying, tracking patterns, and accepting the fact that there's the losing days. That's a reality that a lot of people aren't ready to come to grips with. There's never been a 100% winning trader. There never will be. No one ever wins every trade. No one ever wins every day. And if you're not prepared for that, you might lose a day and think you're terrible, you're not getting anywhere, and quit. And losing weeks happen. That's what we call a drawdown. Like, a lot of people see success in the beginning, get a little bit of profits and knowledge, and then everything hits the skids for a while. They're not prepared for that, so they quit. What separates the small percentage who make it from everyone else? Now, my goal for you in your first year is education, not Lambos and yachts and mansions and all of that. I want you to be able to come back in a year and be like, I understand trading. I can see the patterns. I know how this works. I can see something preparing to make the move. I can build a trade plan. I can write out my risk management, and I can execute on that. That's a skill set. That's something that you can actually do, and that's what we're going to do in this course. Now, if you're still with me, I think that's a great sign. I'm sure a lot of people dropped off on this. They're like, Tim, I got to pay my mortgage tomorrow. Teach me how to make a quick buck. Wrong place for that. If it means you're here for the right reasons, and in the next video, we're going to get to the practical and walk you through how to pick and set up a brokerage account so you can start making trades. I mean, I told you in the very first video, I want to take you from zero knowledge to making your first trade, doing it the smart way, because before you can trade, you need a place to trade. And remember, every one of these videos, we have an accompanying workbook along with them. I want you to remember everything. I'm going to quiz you. I'm going to make sure you watch this video, and I'm giving you action items coming out of every lesson. So make sure you hit that link below, grab that workbook, all 100% free. And here's the test. You got to fill it out. A lot of you, and when we get to the end, I may ask you, where's your workbooks so I can review them so that you can prove you're putting in the work.